Hello and welcome to day 5 of this short 5 days challenge. Today we have the final day to polish some things and to show you a few ways how to use all this that I showed you in these 5 videos. So before I show you how to make money with this and those 3 ways, ideas, or how you can call it, I want to first finish something that we didn't finalize yesterday. So we were adding Stripe payments, but this is something we missed, and basically we didn't add a webhook. So today I prepared a prompt to add a webhook to Stripe. I'm going to add this later in under the video in the notes, so you can use it also. Basically it's very simple, and also I will give you the instructions how to do it inside Stripe step by step. And basically you will need to follow few simple steps. Go to one subpage on Stripe, copy some of the URL from your application from Lovable, and then create a webhook. So I don't want to show you my steps, so I will skip this for now, but the instructions will be in the text file under the video. So here it is. I'm going to just copy paste this these instructions. So this is it. Later Lovable will ask me for this webhook secret. I have also this is what actually I took from Lovable. It takes you just 2-3 minutes to find this code, and basically because now after we have this okay, look like we have a problem. So I will just have to pause the video and find the Stripe secret key, because I used it on first day. So this is normal. This happens inside all this. So what I will do now is check the Stripe or check somewhere to find this secret key. But to make this faster, I will just pause this video for a moment. Okay. Okay, I'm back. It took me two minutes to ask Claude to tell me where to find again this secret key, and I just had to verify authentication with my Stripe account. So they sent me an email and I pressed the link, and now I got my secret key. So we can continue doing this, and I will paste here, submit, and this is going to finish finally. Okay, so now it's finalized. So why are we doing this? As I said yesterday, we started the process of connecting Stripe, but we didn't add the secret key and webhook secret. So without this, the connection, after someone pays, they wouldn't be added to paid account, to paid membership. They would be still left as a free member. So well, probably they wouldn't like it. They wouldn't be happy if they are okay. So now what happened is everything is okay here, but I need to you go to Stripe again and paste this. So it's actually simple to do. So I will just open this and set up the Stripe webhook URL, and this is how it goes. Check out session completed. Continue. Webhook endpoint here. So I have created what Lovable asked me to inside Stripe, and what we can do now, test the webhook. Is it everything okay? I usually don't like to do this, but just to make sure, because this is one of the more important things we should be having. So let it test, and so to make sure everything is fine, and we can finally have the website and everything ready. And this will be very quickly done. Yes, and he said function is deployed and it's working correctly. And we can publish everything now. And basically that's it. So what we planned is finished. Of course, I always have some things I want to add and change, but no need to overcomplicate and do too many. So it's up to date. So let's see the final what we have. So this is it. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. I added the 3 ways to make money from this. This is this video, resources, and book a call, because this member is not paid member. But let me show you my account also. Everything is here. You can change the name. This is free member, free access. So when somebody pays here, goes to Stripe, and they will be assigned as a paid member, and they will have access to this book a call area. And of course later I will add more courses, more content for the paid members. And now let's go to the second part of the main part of the 5th day, and this is 3 ways to use this in your business and to make money with this. So first way is actually you can use it as a lead magnet. So you can quickly create a simple stuff like a quiz and ask people to answer to some questions like this. I will just randomly choose something now, and then in the end ask them for their details to get the results, send those results inside in there as a automated email. And also, of course, on the next page, okay, let me fill this quickly. And of course on the next page and inside the email, add your offer, add what you are selling. It can be affiliate product, your product, okay, optional. So this is some kind of answer to the quiz. I have a few. Actually, this is built the way so depending on the answers, there is one offer given for them depending on their situation. So this random answers gave this offer where I build the application for somebody or build it together with them, or they can message me and get more help from me if they want. And this is another example. Actually, this is a paid offer. This is something you can very quickly do. Just like we did in the challenge, create a sales page, and this one is only $7. And basically when somebody, this is connected to my Thrive card, and when somebody buys for $7, they get access to this, where I show exactly step by step how to build your application, but also prepare the code and everything, and there is a history of the ideas they can do, they can find. There are some ways more they can make money with it, and some resources they can use and learn more and how to do everything. So this is the first way. So build something you can use in your business, you can use as a free or as paid stuff. And second way to make money with applications is, for example, this is something I sold for $500, and how I found this. This is on Croatian, in my language, in my country, and I found in one Facebook group where there are many people that have real businesses, and somebody was asking to create an application for their warehouse, and they explained in short what they wanted. So what I did is explain to Lovable, or you can use any other similar application to create something like this. I explained exactly what they want, and I asked Lovable to give me a small demo like this, and actually this is the demo I gave them, because now I'm working a little more complicated with little more options, but basically what they receive is, cannot see this on the left, they can see this is what is the status of the articles in their warehouse, how many, what is the status. If there is none, they get the message here, and also they get the message here on top what they don't have as red. They can set up the starting data. Then they can add more articles, some more documents, and there is the history about some documents, and there is the setup of the company and this. So basically I found one guy, he's looking for this, and in 5 minutes, literally in 5 minutes, I explained to the application what they want, what they need, and I sent the link to him, and he was really happy what he liked, and he asked me how much it would cost to finish it, even with even more details, and I said €500, and we had a deal, and basically I delivered it because I didn't use this. This was just for them to use it to sell, to advertise what I can do for them, and then they explained in a little more details what exactly they want, and I also again talked to Lovable and built it and sold it to them. So there are many different ways to do this. There are many groups on Facebook where people from all over the world, there are probably thousands of groups, and probably it's the best for you to start in your area, in your language, and maybe even meet with those people, somebody that is closer to you if you can find, but also you can make some offers and create for your neighbors, for example, I have a hairdresser next to my house, and I made this offer to her. I'm waiting for the response. I created something I'm sure that would help her it would be the private tool for her. She can organize her appointments for her business, but also you see she can add the client, what is her service, how long it takes, and it would be added in the calendar. So basically if I add for here, these are just the times she is working. So okay, let's say for tomorrow I add somebody, this will be 90 minutes. So when you can check the calendar, this is booked for tomorrow, 90 minutes. So I'm waiting for her answer, but I'm sure she will take it, because this will help her to leave the paper and use this. And for me also it was very, very easy to prepare this. So you can basically choose one niche and prepare one example and make the offer and show it to your to the business owners around you, or email those and show it to somebody in the world. Combinations are endless. Just stick to one and decide what you want exactly to do. And the third way is, I showed you this, what we actually built in these few days. Basically, this could have been built in about 1 hour, but I did some changes that were a little more complicated. And you can create any kind of sales membership site, sales page, sell anything, your coaching, your course, and actually even you can add a community inside, and this is what I will show you in some of the future lessons, probably inside my Facebook group or here anywhere you are watching. But for now, this is the 3 ways that I recommend to use to make money with these systems. That's basically it. So for the 5th day is finished also. I have prepared a small offer if you want to work with me, and basically the offer is I show you how to use free traffic from social media to sell digital products. So basically it can be anything digital. It can be your own product, affiliate product, application like this. So if you want to work with me, I will add link under this video to it to get more details about how it would work. Or you can always message me and get more details from me and ask me questions about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.